This article is titled Recommendations by Cochrane Review Groups for Assessment of the Risk of Bias in Studies and was authored by Peter Geach and Andreas Lund.
We examined the instructions to authors of the 50 Cochrane Review Groups that focus on clinical interventions for recommendations on methodological quality assessment of studies. 41 of the review groups recommended quality assessment using components and 9 using a scale. All groups recommending components recommended to assess concealment of allocation, compared to only 2 of the groups recommending scales. 35 groups recommended assessment of sequence generation and 21 groups recommended assessment of intention to treat analysis. Only 28 groups had specific recommendations for using the quality assessment of studies analytically in reviews, with sensitivity analysis, quality as an inclusion threshold, and subgroup analysis being the most commonly recommended methods. The scales recommended had problems in the individual items, and some of the groups recommending components recommended items not related to bias in their quality assessment. We found that recommendations by some groups were not based on empirical evidence, and many groups had no recommendations on how to use the quality assessment in reviews.
We are RTCL.TV. Links in the description below.